Question number 3. So a block of weight W has been suspended by two strings of equal length. Okay, this length and this length are equal. The strings are almost horizontal. What does it tell me? That means if I draw a line here, this angle is almost equal to 90 degree. May not be 90, but maybe let us say this could be 85 degrees. That's what the meaning of this is. Okay, what is correct about the tension T in the block? Okay, what is the tension? Where does the tension act here? Is the tension T acts like this? This tension T acts like this. Two strings of equal length, which means what? The tensions are equal over here. Okay, which is the middle point over here. So let us resolve this into two parts. Here it will be T sine theta, or let us say it's 85, T sine 85. Here also it will be T sine 85. So these two will cancel. Only the upper components will equate the lower one. So this should be 2T cos 85 is equal to W. See, this component is T cos 45, cos 85, and here also you get a similar component. So 2T cos 85 is equal to W, or T should be equal to W divided by 2 cos 85. Now I have just taken an angle because it's almost horizontal, right? 80 or 85 you can take. Now whenever the value of theta increases, your value of cos theta will decrease over here. So definitely when you say cos 85, this is nearly equal to 2 times W into 2 times sine 5. Why is it sine 5? We know that cos of theta is equal to sine of 90 minus theta. Similarly, cos of, okay, so if that is the case, what I will do is I will put theta here. So if I take cos 85 here, so I get this as sine 85, sine 5 over here, right? Put theta equal to 85, I get the answer as 5 over here. Okay, and we know for smaller values of sine theta, this will just be equal to 5 itself. So therefore, I can convert this one into radians. When I do this conversion into radians, I will get a much lesser value. So definitely denominator is much lesser, and if denominator is lesser, then W by this value would become larger over here. Thus, what you can say, this tension would be larger than W over here. Okay, if you calculate this, if you have a calculator and you are doing this, and if you do this, either W by 2 cos 85 or W by 2 sin 5, when you do this, it will definitely be larger than the value of W. Okay, and as a result of it, how much will you guess? You may get something like, okay, if you want, I can calculate this here. I will do the calculation and I will show you this. So now this would become sine 5. There is sine here, sine is here, sine of, I'm sorry, should use first 5 and then I should use sine of this value, which is 0.087. 0.087, let me write it down. T is equal to W divided by 2 into 0.087, which will now be equal to star 2, sorry. So just a minute, let me do it once again. 2 star 0.087 is equal to 0.174, which is nearly equivalent to what is 1 by x of this. 1 by x of this would be 5.74. So 5.7 times W, therefore T is greater than W, right? That's what we need to do. So D is the answer. Okay, straightforward.